Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the daily, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on Bitcoin, I still suspect that the wave 4 is already in, and that this first move up is like a wave 1 of 5. This is potentially like a big ABC correction, like a 2 of wave 5, and I still think that it is likely to make its way up and eventually make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension measuring this wave A projected out the top of what looks like it could be a wave B, because if it really is an expanding flat, the target for an expanding flat is the 161 178% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the wave B, which is exactly where this thing turned, and it does look like it is trying to break structure. Probably a pretty good chance that this correction is over. If this correction is over, then I would expect to see a pullback, but at the end of that pullback, I would definitely try to get long, potentially for the beginning of a wave 3 of wave 5. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, the 161, 178 is the target for a wave C of an expanding flat, which is exactly where this thing turned, went up and broke structure. So now I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I would be looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level with a nice engulfing move to the upside. Because if this really is the end of a wave 2 and we are now in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, this should be a very, very strong wave to the upside, which is great news because that should give us plenty of chances to get long for the continuation of this uptrend. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so if this really is the beginning of a wave 3, then it potentially should be very obvious that it's a wave 3 because it should be a very strong wave to the upside, potentially going up and breaking all this structure along the way. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.